Ever pondered why our Earth isn't a frozen wasteland or a blazing inferno? The answer lies in the greenhouse effect. This is a natural process that makes our planet habitable, a haven teeming with life. You see, our Earth has its own cozy blanket, just like we do on a cold winter's night. This blanket is our planet's atmosphere. It acts as a barrier, trapping some of the sun's warmth, a bit like how your own duvet keeps you toasty. Without it, the Earth would be too cold to support life as we know it. Now imagine the Earth without its blanket. Brr, makes you shiver, right? Well, that's pretty much what would happen. We'd be living in a giant snowball. Conversely, if our blanket got too thick, we'd be in a permanent sauna. Not quite the relaxing kind, mind you. So, the Earth's cozy blanket is the greenhouse effect, but how does it work exactly? The greenhouse effect isn't a magic trick, but a scientific process. Let's dive into the science and unravel the mystery together. Our story begins with the sun, our very own cosmic heater. It showers us with solar radiation, a radiant cocktail of light and heat. When this energy reaches the Earth's surface, it's like a buffet, where most of it is absorbed, warming up our planet, and a small portion is reflected back into space. Now here comes the plot twist. The absorbed heat doesn't stay put. It's a bit of a social butterfly and radiates back towards space, but not all of it can escape. Imagine it like the Earth's version of a bouncer, a group of greenhouse gases including carbon dioxide, methane, and water vapor that decide who gets to leave the party. These gases are experts at playing catch. They trap the outgoing heat, preventing it from escaping into the cosmic void. This captured heat swirls around our atmosphere, keeping our planet snug and warm. Now, you might be thinking, that's clever. The Earth is recycling its heat. And you're absolutely right. It's like our planet is saying, why waste all that good heat when we can reuse it? It's a pro at recycling, and not just with plastic or paper, but also with heat. So next time you're recycling, remember you're just as cool as Earth. However, while this process is essential for life, it's a delicate balance. Too much of these greenhouse gases and we end up with too much trapped heat, leading to a hotter planet. It's like throwing an extra blanket on a warm summer night. It just gets uncomfortable. That's the science of the greenhouse effect. But what happens when this effect gets too intense? Like having too much of a good thing, an intensified greenhouse effect isn't exactly ideal. Now let's chat about what happens when the greenhouse effect gets a bit too zealous. You see, human activities, particularly the burning of fossil fuels like coal and oil, increase the concentration of greenhouse gases. This in turn makes the Earth's blanket thicker, trapping more heat, and leading to global warming and climate change. Imagine it's a chilly winter night. You pile on the blankets for warmth, but as the night wears on, you begin to overheat. That's essentially what's happening to our planet. So why should we care? Well, a stable climate is essential for the survival of all life on Earth, including us humans. Understanding and managing the greenhouse effect is thus crucial for the sake of our planet's future. So, while the greenhouse effect is a natural and necessary phenomenon, it's our responsibility to ensure it doesn't go overboard. After all, who wants a blanket that's too hot to handle?